wrong with this thing? Is the wheel straight though?
So how long do you reckon this is going to take you?
Huh?
How long do you reckon this is going to take to fix?
About an hour.
About an hour, yeah.
What, to fix the car up?
The whole car. How long do you reckon it's going to take you to complete the car?
It won't take me long to get it ready.
No. Can you put a time on it? Days on it?
To be honest with you, I'm a bit crazy when it comes to things like this. I've been edging about this for the last 4 days, getting told when the car's going to get delivered. Hence why I need a Dodger here ASAP.
ASAP Rocky.
Get this thing going.
So I think what he's doing now is just taking off the
I want it on road. To be honest with you, I want it on road, driving. Probably by the end of next week, it'll be on road. So I'll get whatever parts I can get. It's just, see, the problem is with this car, is parts, man. Trying to find the parts.
Yeah.
The parts are going to be a headache. Keep hold of it. Parts are going to be a headache.
And what is the most expensive part do you reckon it's going to be to replace?
The headlight.
The headlight.
That's probably going to cost me about £1,000. But I've already sourced one, and I'm going tomorrow morning to pick it up. So I'm going to do a little vlog to show you. What are you doing tomorrow morning?
What's that? Well, you're going up north. That's going to be treks. I've got a family barbecue tomorrow. Get the most of this weather.
Family barbecue tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
I'd love to do that. Is there anything else, guys? Can you have a look? Nothing?
Nah, no.
Boom, 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 ready to come off. Go that side then, H. Slide it off.
Is it heavy? Jeez.
Okay, hold on.
Few little secret nuts, yeah. Oh, is it? I think it's H's side, you know.
Nah.
Hold on.
Yeah, let me hold it.
Now you do yours.
Ooh, yeah.
Stick it over there for now.
So you're gonna get a new bonnet as well? So as you
Very
can
careful
see,
on the floor.
I'll show you now, guys. You've got full-on lippy bent here.
So this, to be very honest with you, this
Look
can
at
get
that.
repaired.
What? So that they'll tap that out, yeah?
You can get this, because it's aluminium.
Yeah.
You can get this repaired. They can heat it, tap it out, bit of filler, and sort it out. But
do you reckon there'd be a twist in the whole bonnet? though?
Nah.
It'd just be in that area there.
This curve here, it's fine. It's just basically that. Because the aluminium bonnets, and we've got those little things that pop the bonnet up.
Yeah.
It has less impact on there.
Okay.
But if I can source a bonnet cheap, I'll be doing that.
Hey, you should keep. Oh, know what you should do? Get rid of the bonnet, and then fully get it like this. Leave it like this. Make some pretty engine in it. So your mission is right now to get everything scrapped, everything that's broken off.
Yep.
Things that can possibly be repaired off.
These hinges are definitely gone. Because I've been.
And have you ever had a problem where you've taken something apart and you just keep finding problem after problem?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
It's never straightforward.
Nah.
Never.
Alright guys, what I'm going to do, I'll catch up in a bit, let them crack on, and then we'll see how far they've got. I'll keep you updated, and anything new pops up, I'm sure I will show you. But you can see the damage, you can see the mess that's happened. It's just a case now of getting it stripped. Like I said, finding what's broken, what can be repaired, what has to be replaced. But yeah, I shall catch you very soon. And what I'll probably do is, I don't just put a time lapse in because it's going to be quite a long one. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you up to date. So, see you in a bit. Right guys, so far, it's been a bit of a struggle getting the car jacked up because of how low it is. So we've managed to...
It's because of the flat tyre, to be honest.
Well, yeah, partly because of the flat tyre, and because of the flat tyre, that's how low it is. So what we had to do is jack it up one side so we could get a jack underneath it, the other side, start that one, and obviously so forth. So now Mo can, or Wakta, sorry, Wakta can take this off, take the wheel off, and then continue stripping. So that has took quite a bit of time just doing that because it is a pain in the butt. But now it's done, we can proceed. And then we lost the locking nut. Rookie mistake. But we are on the road of recovery. Oh.
We're on the road of recovery.
Recovery. I'm really excited to see what you're gonna do for this though.
Really?
Yeah.
It's the first time you've probably seen it, isn't it, really?
Well,
you
yeah,
know me from doing it from the past, but...
Yeah, but I've never been there, I've never been present. But it's exciting.
Because it wasn't Christmas. You ain't gonna get no presents.
Me. So I'm actually gonna see an actual full-on project. First time, yeah. Yeah. Exciting.
Is it real bent?
Jeez.
I wonder if it's really bent.
How are you gonna find out?
I'm gonna have to take it down to one of my boys and see if it's bent, but to be honest, I don't really mind if it is. The only reason for that is I think I'm gonna go for a change in wheels.
Ooh, change. So yeah, the wheel got a bit of a batter in as well. Surprisingly not too much, but it is, you know, it's not pretty. You'd be annoyed with it on a normal day. But yeah, shame. I think now the next stage is probably taking this wing off here. And is that what you're doing now, Wakta?
Yeah, I want to see what go on behind here, mate.
Yeah. So you've got to take that whole panel off here, take all this off here. As you can see, it ain't looking good. Quite a huge crack.
Oh, it's all plastic, man.
Yeah. Alright, follow me. I think Turbo is working on this side as well. Let's ask what he's doing. What are you doing, Turbs?
Taking the guard off.
So the front bumper?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. So you're taking the guard off on the inside to get to the front bumper.
Then there's some here, and then open up.
And you've got to take this light off as well?
Yeah, probably, because I've been changing that one.
Yeah. Beautiful. Keep at it, Turbo. Doing a great job. Jowdy.
Jolty.
I gotta get under here and take some screws off.
So it's not on the actual axle stands yet?
Nah. I need to secure it. See, if I don't secure it,
Danger.
and I'm underneath it.
Danger.
Danger. Can do with the unit, but unfortunately, we ain't got ourselves quite there yet.
Nope. Hopefully the future, mate. Hopefully the
All we've
future.
got to do with the guys that are watching, really.
Let's hit the subscribe.
Get it subscribing.
And like it, man. Like it.
This is a side skirt, it's got a wrap on it. You know what I mean?
It's fake.
Well, yeah, it's
fake.
I went for carbon fibre at the time, and underneath
What is it?
is gloss black.
Gloss black. So do you reckon you're going to take all that off, shine them up, redo
I
them?
think I'm going to go back to gloss black.
Try not to give too much away, man.
Let's see.
Try not to give too much away. I think it's amazing how much it changes straight away as soon as you take the side skirting off. Don't you think?
Yeah.
It's the small things, I guess, in life. I guarantee if you took that spoiler off, it'd literally different within just little bits like that. Crazy. Absolutely immense.
Thing, Dodge.
What's that thing, mate?
Stand.
The stand. Okay, stand. There you go. There you go, mate. Nice one. Be careful, please. Health and safety.
parts.
Well, take that off then, brother. Or you got stuff around it anyway.
Stop recording.
Stop recording. That's definitely going on. That smells like Tika, bro.
That smells like fucking Lear Corporation's fucking breakfast. That's what that fucking smells like.
Yeah, trust. Lear Corporation breakfast. Oh my god. That stuff gives you the shits. Like, trust. Don't eat their eggs. Like, don't ever eat their eggs. Woo! Well done, Wopter. Well done. The fucking sausage has only gone and trapped the T-bar underneath the jack. Yeah. Right, there's no point trying to do it. You're not going to get it. Oh, off you go, mate. Watch your back. Well done. Go. There we go. The bumper is off. Massive, isn't it?
Huge.
Jeez. Yay! Can I shut this door, guys? Yo, look at that. Still looks sick though, don't it? It still looks sick. Even though whoever did that.
Yeah, who did that?
So what you do now, guys? So just checking some more parts.
Yeah.
That's Wopter's
just making me
camera skills, that is.
making me worry even more.
Oh, this is. So this is like. What can I? This is like a little Easter egg, isn't it? So you don't even know what's inside that egg at the moment yet.
No,
you can see the shell, but you can't see the surprise.
Can't see no surprises, mate.
Yeah. Wow.
Right, so.
Whoever did this feels super guilty.
Yeah, I wonder who.
I wonder who.
Was it you, Turbo?
Not me.
H?
You safe driver?
I'm not too sure.
I think it was AZ. I think it was AZ. It's not me.
You're a dangerous driver, you are.
I know. We'll find out, innit?
Find out.
What we're doing is we're taking the opposite side off, even though it's not damaged. But the reason for that is, guess. Anyone? Somebody?
Hey.
Why?
So we can match everything.
Okay.
So basically, as he just said, is we want to match what's happening on here to that side, because we have got, if you have a look, we've got all of these things here that are all damaged. So I wasn't, obviously I don't know, I'm not a body worker, but we can obviously match it to this side, and then we'll know exactly what it is we've got to get. So I have to really strip this side as well, but I won't have to strip the wing. Hopefully not.
Hopefully. So obviously that is Schnack, Heat, Schnoot, Schnard. That's buggered. And then obviously the other side is hasn't been touched. So that's good. Took the wheel off. So far we have taken the wheels off, taken the bumper off, taken the hinges off for the bonnet, taken the bonnet off. So we've got quite a few bits here. There's quite a lot of plastics. Got some kind of foam block. I'm guessing that sits behind the bumper for some padding. There's your hinges. But yeah, it's going pretty good so far. So we will crack on, and I'll always keep you up to date, guys. So keep watching. Yeah, man. Are you gonna have to get 2 new lights as well?
Nah.
Just gonna polish that one up. Yeah.
Just gonna polish this one up. I might change this one
Because it does have a few scratches.
It has had a bit of damage to it.
Yeah. So yeah.
But like we said earlier, they're just very expensive.
Yeah. £1,000. Okay, you know. Right. Peace. Right, this is the wishbone here. Look how bent that is. So that should be there. Straight.
Should be straight, innit?
Straight. Look at that. Mental.
Yeah.
So obviously that's going.
Is there any other sizes, yeah?
Get a new one of them. And
Need the
what
40,
is
please, lads.
still going at this.
That's it now, guys. That's it. We're almost there. I need the 40, please. Come on, let's crack it on,
So
please.
what's next now, Mo?
I'm going to take this anti-roll bar link off.
Yeah.
So that's happening right now. Get this anti-roll bar link off, and then we are on the way.
On the way to Amarillo. So if you didn't know out there, every piece on a vehicle has a part number. If you ever need a new piece, you find the part number. You can Google it, eBay it, even go to the supplier of BMW or whatever make your car is, and then you just give them the part number, and then they should easily find it on the system, and then know exactly what that is, and then you can order it and replace it. Easy as that. And obviously you have people on eBay who probably had a bashed up car, spare parts on it, and they try and get rid of it, and it helps people like Wokta or people who do up cars and remodify them or whatever. So it's a good thing to do. So I think that's it for now. I think Turbo's done quite a bit of searching and buying and bidding. And then I think Wokta tomorrow is off on his travels to collect all these parts so he can rebuild. So see you later.
So guys, this is where we have it, all greased up. Should be wearing gloves, but I'm quite surprised at what I've got done so far. In a matter of what, 2-3 hours, boys?
See about 2.5 hours.
2 hours, 3 hours. We've got the complete car stripped off, so we've taken the bonnet off. And you can see, right? We've had a look what parts and stuff we need. There's obviously a few things, like I'll just show you. Come around, I'll show you actually over here. So this was all bent, and for that, I think the boys have showed you earlier on. Got one of these. I would say wishbone, but it could have several different names to it. But it's what's coming from the cradle onto the suspension leg, which is totally bent. So we're gonna get a new one of them. We're gonna get a new piece for the wing and the chassis. So obviously this is all bent. And there's a black piece as well, which everyone's got. We're gonna get one of these. So basically, in rich dummy terms is, we wanna get this car with the headlights. Here you go, mate. We're gonna get the headlights fitted on, make sure that everything's working, the harness is all working. We're gonna get obviously the wheel on. We want the car moving, so we want to check if there's any other issues mechanically with the car before we go in and start spending ridiculous money on bodywork, body panels, because like I said, it's all about PW doing their project, and I'm not too sure what we're going to be doing. I'll let you guys think about it, and let me think about it as well actually, and the team, what we're going to do with the car. So tomorrow we're on road, we're going to pick a few things up. So next video to come is what we're going to be doing next. I hope everything that we've done helps. You liked it, you enjoyed it. If you have, subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you soon. Love, peace, yo.